next chessboard is going to be made with a field of clear maple and black walnut. I don't know whether I have enough black walnut. I know I have enough maple. This is resawn from a piece of 4x4 clear. But these also resawn from 4x4 stock were offcuts. And I think I have just enough to make 64 squares, 32 each species. My next step is going to be cutting them the same width, which will be 2 inches. Before I do the final measurement between the blade and the fence to give me my perfect 2-inch width, I need to install these 2 sacrificial fence pieces. I'm using double stick glue. They're in 2 pieces because what I want to do is use both of these to run the cut this way, the resaw cut, and then I'm going to take that off, and using a 90-degree miter fence, the woodpecker one, I'm going to just use this in order to set the wood against it, and then run it along the blade this way, using the miter fence to push it all the way through. But with this out of the way, there won't be any friction against the fence. It'll just be a nice, free, clean push past the blade. Practically 0 chance of kickback. Because I'm setting the fence and then doing the cuts, I switched out my blade to a combination blade, so that I can do rip and cross cut without having to move anything to change the blade.